Hello, my fellow CS colleagues. It's Sarah B. Cruz from Pre-Treat CSS, and welcome to Tech Tips. This series is dedicated to the hard skills you'll learn in your department. While these tech tips help new technicians create sound practice foundations, let's not forget about the technicians already holding it down in the name of patient safety. Tech tips challenge us to revisit the way we've always done it and put the CSS in success. In this tech tip, we'll call out a formidable foe that continues to challenge the sterile processing space. It has many names, but we all know it by its shape, the triangle. I'm calling out the triangle for all my social media followers that have been asking for tips. And with the support of our sponsor, Proper Manufacturing Company's new Steri-Wrap Unite SMS wrap, CSSNerds accept the challenge to effectively wrap a triangle that follows guidelines for sterility maintenance and assurance. Let's lay down some ground rules. We have to make sure that we follow the wrap's IFU. This includes the way it's qualified to sterilize. Just because it fits in a wrap doesn't mean the wrap has been validated to sterilize the instrument's weight. Let's remember our principles of wrapping. Wrapping too tight may cause holes and even limit sterilant penetration. Wrapping too loose may cause moisture to get caught in the excessive material. It can also leave gaps where microbials can access our instruments. We must take aseptic technique into consideration with the way we wrap. The ANSI AAMI ST79 and AORN all have guidelines and recommendations that pertain to the proper covering of instrumentation to maintain sterility. And let's not forget the Association of Surgical Technologists, the AST. All peri-op professionals are charged with executing aseptic technique consistently, so let's be sure to set them up for success. Speaking of which, let's take a look at Proper Manufacturing's new Steri-Wrap Unite SMS wrap that we'll be using during today's tutorial. During this uncertain time of product shortages and back orders, Proper Manufacturing Company would like to introduce the Steri-Wrap Unite SMS wrap. Microorganisms don't stand a chance against these two bonded layers of polypropylene. Steri-Wrap Unite makes simultaneous wrapping as easy as 1, 2, 3. Proper's Steri-Wrap Unite SMS wrap is strong enough to prevent rips, tears, and punctures. It boasts a 60 GSM which can maintain sterility up to 13 pounds and is available in a variety of sizes. The dual color application is the best part. The variation makes evaluating for defects easy and efficient. Our patients count on us to uphold sterility preparation and maintenance at all costs. We can always count on Proper Manufacturing Company to serve our patients' safety with high-quality infection control products. For pricing and more information on the Steri-Wrap Unite SMS wrap, contact customer service at propermfg.com. Talk about showing up for our industry. With the burdens of back orders and shortages that affect the healthcare industry, Proper Manufacturing Company continues to prove their dedication to patient safety. I can't wait to get this wrap in action. Come on, let's show this triangle what our integrity is made of. First things first. Inspect the triangle for cleanliness and functionality. Don't do this over the wrap you plan to use. Debris could fall off the triangle and end up getting wrapped with it. 2. Select the wrap size according to the IFUs and the guidelines and recommendations mentioned earlier. Total coverage of the instrumentation is recommended. So even though a smaller wrap may look nicer, we may not be achieving appropriate coverage. 3. Make sure you have all the supplies, integrators, steam tape, and wrap. Then check all of them for quality and possible defects. 4. Place the triangle in the center of the wrap with the right angle faced down. Have the triangle point vertically from your point of view. Don't forget your integrator. 5. Using envelope or triangle fold, bring your back tab up and over, completely covering the front. And don't forget to make a pull tab. This is crucial for aseptic technique. 6. Continuing with our folding, bring your left and right sides up and make a tab for each one. Refrain from using tape as it is an external indicator. 7. Finally, bring the front tab up and over towards you and tuck, leaving a pull tab. 8. Use the appropriate amount of tape. No need to get crazy. We did it! What do you all think? I think we knocked out that triangle and all the bioburden in it. But to be sure, let's open it in a way that mirrors the technique used by most perioperative professionals. Okay, going to pull this tab and let it fall. Then going to grab the inner tabs one at a time. Then the final pull and check for the integrator. Success! I hope I did our surgical partners proud. If you're interested in receiving a step-by-step guide of this process or the reference to the guidelines mentioned, go to pretreatcss.com/triangle. So the next time you see a triangle, you got this. Thank you for allowing me and our sponsor, Proper Manufacturing, to be a part of your CS adventure. If you want to incorporate the Steri-Wrap Unite to your department's inventory, don't be shy. Proper is ready to help. Don't forget, you're the real MVPs. Bye. So here's my disclaimer. All of the opinions or suggestions in this study series are a reflection of me, Sarah B. Cruz of Pre-Treat CSS. Take what you need and leave the rest.